Hello viewers, this is Nisha H. Kamath. Welcome you to the activity on linear equation in one variable. Today, let's try to solve a linear equation in one variable through an activity. For this, I am going to take a square which represents the unknown term, that is x. Let's call it as x. If I cut this square into two equal halves, it becomes a triangle. So, this one triangle represents half of the square, that is half of x, which is represented as x by 2. Similarly, if I cut this square into three rectangles, each rectangle represents x by 3, that is the whole x has been divided into 3 parts. So this represents x, a triangle represents x by 2 and this rectangle strip represents x by 3. Apart from this, I am going to take some white color counters. Let this represent +1 and some black color counters which represents -1. Now, this one plus this one, that is +1 minus 1 becomes 0. Now, let's try to solve a simple linear equation which says x plus 2 is equal to 5. In the place of x, I need to keep the square which represents x plus 2, that is positive 2 is represented by this cream color counters. So it is 1 plus 2 which is equal to 5. So I have to keep 5 counters here, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now solving is finding the value of x. So on this side I want only x. So I have to remove these two. To do that, I add 2 black counters here because +1 minus 1, this becomes 0. But in the balancing of equation, whatever you do on the left hand side should be done to the right hand side also. So I have added 2 black counters here. I need to add 2 black counters on the right hand side. So this nullifies, it becomes 0, 0, this is gone and this is gone. Now you have x is equal to 3, which is the solution for this equation. We can verify this. If you put this 3 in the place of x, it becomes 3 plus 2 which is equal to 5. 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 is equal to 5. So this solution is correct. Now let's try to solve a second linear equation which says x by 2 plus 5 is equal to 3. Now what is x by 2? It is one triangle, isn't it? So I keep one triangle which is x by 2 plus 5. I need to add the 5 counters here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I add this to it, what you get is 3. So I have to place 1, 2 and 3. Now I want only x to be on the left hand side. So first let me try to remove this 5. So to do that, I have to add 5 black counters here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the balancing of equation, I need to add 5 on this side also, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now this becomes 0, one set, 0, 0, 0, 0. On the right hand side also 1, 2, 3 pairs will go. So you have x by 2 which is equal to -2. Remember, x by 2 I got equal to black represent -1, so it is -2. Now trying to find the solution for linear equation is knowing the value of x. But here I have x by 2. So if I add one more x by 2 it, that is 2 triangles together make up one square. So one square is nothing but x. So I got x here, which means I have to add one more x by 2 here also. But instead of adding a triangle, I know that x by 2 is equal to minus 2. So I am going to add this to black counters here. Because x by 2 is nothing but minus 2. So this and these two are equal. So this square represents x now, which is equal to 4 black counters gives you minus 4, which is the solution. Shall we check whether our answer is correct? So in the place of x, I put minus 4, which I have got here, by 2 plus 5 is equal to 3. 2 ones are 2 twos are. What remains here is minus 2 plus 5 is equal to 3. Minus 2 plus 5 gives you 3, which is equal to 3. So I have got my left hand side is equal to right hand side. So this solution is correct. The last equation for today's activity, let's say x by 3 plus 2 is equal to 4. X by 3 is the x which has been cut into 3 equal parts. So a rectangle strip like this, plus 2. So I will add 2 here, positive 2. So plus 2 is equal to 4. So on this side I have 1, 2, 3 and 4. If I want to remove these two from here, I am going to add minus 2 this side. So here also I am going to add minus 2. So this goes and this goes. From this side also you have these two. So you have x by 3 equal to 2. So x by 3 is equal to 2. Now I want to get x here. This is only one part out of the 3. So if I add 2 more strips here, this becomes x, because 1, 2, 3 together becomes 1 square. So this is now x, which is, I have added 2 x by 3's here. See, this was x by 3. This was also x by 3. I have added it 2 times. But remember, 1 x by 3 is 2. I have added 2 here. So I'll add 1 here, these 2 for one strip and these 2 for another strip. So this whole thing is x now, which is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So x value is 6. To verify this, in the place of x I will put 6 by 3 plus 2 is equal to 4. 3 ones are, 3 twos are, 2 plus 2 will give you 4 equal to 4. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So our solution is correct. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day.